Good morning. We just started walking. Well, we started like 20 minutes ago. We are leaving Port Clinton. And we have to cross this bridge. So the plan for today is 25 kilometers. Wish us luck. Dog-shaped rocks, swinging rocks, surfing rocks, rooty rocks, knife sharp rocks, heart-shaped rocks for applesauce, diamond rocks, surfing rocks, giant rocks, river rocks. Giant rocks and small rocks, heart-shaped rocks for applesauce, medium rocks, small rocks, knife sharp rocks, surfing rocks. Those are all the moving rocks, something like that. Giant rock, a small rock, heart-shaped rocks for applesauce, medium rock, heart-shaped rock, surfing rock. Those are the moving rocks. Surfing rocks, all of them are moving rocks. Hey. I just made it to Pulpit Rock, but there's a bunch of people on the top, so I'll just keep going. Maybe you can see a little of the view, but it was a view. We'll just keep going. Let's go, because this is rocky, and as I said, I was going slow today, enjoying the day, the breeze, and everything else, so let's go. Well, if I have to be honest, I don't need more rocks today, so I'm gonna skip this view. Well, we're not done yet. It's 7 p.m., but we are gonna keep walking as far as we can today, which is, well, not as far as we can. I know there's a campsite in 3 kilometers, so we will do that, and that's it.